Hi, my name is Ryan Williams and I live in North Westdale, part of Mar Vista. So getting a turn signal like this helps us tremendously because people actually use the main streets and they take left turns and they're more patient. Our streets are now more walkable, our streets are more bike friendly, and just a more calm and ease. I went to a local town hall meeting at a church in our neighborhood and raised my hand and advocated for the community, for the parents of kids that go to the public school, Richland, and for people walking in the neighborhood. And we all worked together and got the walk through, and Councilman Mike Bonin came and walked through with us with people from the city, and we got new stop signs, we got new crosswalks that had extra seconds added on for school rush hour, for pedestrian traffic, which made a huge difference. And we just feel safer with all the small things that happened that really added up to being much bigger than what we ever imagined.